Look at this math sequence on the screen. 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 8, and 3 plus 4 equals 15. Following this exact logic, what does 6 plus 7 equal? Watch the whole video to find out the exact answer. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button right below the video so you don't miss out on any of our daily math challenges. Let's break this down using very simple steps to find the hidden pattern. To get the answer on the right, we are going to use basic multiplication and then a little bit of addition. Let's look closely at the first line, 1 and 2. First we multiply these two numbers together. 1 times 2 gives us 2. Now we take that result, which is 2, and we add the very first number of the line back to it. Our first number is 1, so we do 2 plus 1, and that gives us exactly 3. Let's follow these exact same simple steps on the second line to make sure it works perfectly. We have a 2 and a 3. First we multiply them together. 2 times 3 gives us 6. Next we take that 6 and add the first number of this line back to it, which is 2. 6 plus 2 gives us exactly 8. The pattern works. Let's do the third line just to be completely sure. We have a 3 and a 4. We multiply 3 times 4, which gives us 12. Then we add the first number, the 3, back to our total. 12 plus 3 gives us exactly 15. Now we know the exact rule to solve the final line. We have a 6 and a 7. First we multiply them together. 6 times 7 gives us 42. Finally, all we have to do is add the first number of this line back to that total. The first number is 6, so we just need to calculate 42 plus 6. 42 plus 6 is exactly 48. So our final answer is 48. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.